In the line of truly portable grills that you can fold up and carry away, this is about as big as you can get. With 280 square inches of grilling space, you should be able to do a lot with this unit. The hood gives enough space to grill a whole chicken or large roast, so it's as versatile as a single burner can be. The shell is cast aluminum and the cooking grates are actually heavy porcelain-coated cast iron. This holds the heat and makes it better than most portable gas grills, which tend to be underpowered. Weber is famed for its even cooking, and the Q2200 delivers well on that for the most part. There are a few hot spots here and there, but nothing too serious. The grill heats up nice and quickly, has no trouble reaching 550 degrees, and it holds the temperature well if you don't open and close the lid too often. The Q isn't as powerful as a standard gas grill, but it is certainly worth looking at in the portable category. Add in the optional griddle section, and this adds even more versatility, and not just for cooking pancakes. The griddle can be used as a searing plate as well. All in all, if you're willing to pay for this portable and don't need it to be very portable, this is a good choice. At 42 pounds, it is pretty heavy. Add fuel, tools, and food, and you won't want to take this very far. But if you want to grill over gas, a unit that fits in most car trunks, then this is a great choice. We would love to hear which one of these amazing gas grills you'd like to get. Put that in the chat box below, and let's see what the majority of the viewers like the most.